Stop juggling 10 different tools for SEO, content, and social media. Ahrefs is positioning itself as the one-stop shop where AI does the heavy lifting. According to their website, they've built a platform that handles everything from competitor intelligence to tracking your brand in AI chatbots like ChatGPT. But is consolidating your entire marketing stack into Ahrefs a smart move? Today we are doing a deep dive into the official features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if this is the best AI SEO tool for your workflow. Based on the official Ahrefs website, this platform is no longer just an SEO tool. It is now marketed as an AI marketing platform powered by big data. The core value proposition is helping you make your business discoverable in both traditional search and emerging AI platforms. Starting with the positives, the site highlights massive data infrastructure, boasting a database of 28.7 billion keywords and being ranked as the #1 SEO crawler globally. This data feeds their new AI features, which are designed to eliminate manual work. For content marketers, the AI helps match search intent and fill content gaps. For brand specialists, there is a brand radar feature that tracks mentions and sentiment across AI chatbots, which is a huge benefit if you care about visibility in tools like ChatGPT. Another major advantage is the Ahrefs Enterprise tier, which offers API access to connect directly to custom LLMs and create automated reports, making it scalable for agencies and large teams. There are 3 annual plans designed to save you up to 17%. The Lite plan starts at $119 per month and is aimed at small businesses, offering 5 projects, 6 months of historical data, and 750 tracked keywords. The Standard plan is priced at $229 per month for freelance SEOs, giving you 20 projects, 2 years of historical data, and 2,000 tracked keywords. The Advanced plan costs $419 per month for lean in-house teams, featuring 50 projects, 5 years of historical data, and 5,000 tracked keywords. Key differences across the tiers include crawl credits, which range from 100,000 in Lite up to 1.5 million in Advanced, and user limits, with the higher plans allowing for more additional users at an extra cost. Features also scale significantly, as Advanced unlocks integrations like Looker Studio and agency directory listings that are not available in the lower tiers. See you later, guys!